Namaste everyone. Happy Janmashtami to all. In today's video, I will be telling you all about Lord Krishna, like who is Lord Krishna, why we celebrate Janmashtami, and all the story behind it. So let's get started. Janmashtami. The birthday of Lord Krishna is celebrated with great devotion and enthusiasm in India in the month of July or August. According to the Hindu calendar, this religious festival is celebrated on the Ashtami of Krishna Paksh, or the 8th day of the dark fortnight in the month of Bhador. Also, it is believed that the Krishna is the 8th child of his mother, Devaki. So Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated on the 8th day. Shri Krishna is considered as one of the most powerful human incarnations of the Lord Vishnu. He was born around 5,200 years ago in Mathura. The sole objective of Sri Krishna's birth was to free the earth from the evilness and demons. He played an important role in Mahabharata and propagated the theory of bhakti and good karma, which are narrated deeply in Bhagavad Gita. Sri Krishna was born in prison in the custody of Khans. Vasudev, his father, immediately thought of his friend Nand and decided to hand over his child to him to save Krishna from the clutch of Khans. Krishna grew up in Gokul and finally killed his uncle Khans. The actual celebration of Janmashtami takes place during the midnight, as Sri Krishna is believed to be born on a dark, stormy and windy night to end the rule and violence of his uncle Khans. All over India, this day is celebrated with devotional songs, dances, pujas, aarti, blowing of conch, and rocking the cradle of baby Sri Krishna. The Janmashtami celebration of Mathura and Vrindavan, the places where Sri Krishna had spent his life, are very special. On this day, temples and homes are wonderfully decorated. Night-long prayers are offered and religious mantras are sung in the temples. So here we have learned all about Krishna Janmashtami. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Wait, one hail for Lord Krishna. One, two, three. हाथी घोड़ा पाल की, जय कन्हैया लाल की, जय श्री कृष्ण।